the oil that improves vision and removes cataracts. How to use it. Use it. The American Academy of Ophthalmology notes that, only in the United States, there are roughly 24.4 million people over the age of 40 who have cataract. For that reason, we decided to present you some of the most effective natural remedies that can help people fix this problem without going through surgery. What are cataracts? A cataract is a clouding of the eye's natural lens which is found behind the pupil and iris. Despite the fact that older people are more prone to this issue, there are a lot of younger adults who are diagnosed with it as well. Unfortunately, if not dealt on time, this issue can result in degenerative eye condition and loss of sight. According to specialists, providing the body with the needed amounts of glutathione can delay or prevent the need for cataract surgery. Glutathione is an essential antioxidant, so we need to eat foods abundant in antioxidants to treat and prevent problems with the vision, including cataracts. Signs of cataract: double vision, foggy or cloudy vision, nearsightedness, the need to wear sunglasses or contact lenses. Common causes of cataracts: hypertension, diabetes, smoking cigarettes, obesity, eye surgery, genes, high myopia, alcoholic abuse, eye swellings or injuries, taking statins, hormone therapy, taking corticosteroids. How to get rid of this problem naturally? Although surgery is the best option for cataracts at advanced stages, those who have earlier stages can avoid the surgery with the help of one powerful ingredient, that is castor oil. This oil is known to treat cataracts, as well as dry eyes, age-related macular degeneration, and conjunctivitis. Castor oil is plentiful in antioxidants, however you need to use only 100% organic and cold-pressed castor oil. How to use it? Use a dropper to pour 1 drop of the oil into the eyes and repeat the treatment daily, before going to bed. If you have crusts around the corner of the eyes in the morning, do not worry. This is a normal process which results from the calcification. Completely rinse the eyes with lukewarm water. Important to note, if you do not notice improvement in a few days, stop using the oil due to the fact that it may not be adequate for your particular vision issue.